Okay, here's the tab for that one. Hope you have fun with it. Hi again, everybody. We have a real nice Kris Kristofferson song. Kris died a few days ago, so I thought I'd take one of his songs that's been done bluegrass style and put an arrangement out for you folks. I do it in the key of C, and mostly to accommodate my voice. If I sing it at jams, I can't do it in G or A or B. I have to do it in C or D. So I've arranged it in C, and again, in C, a lot of the melodies on the first two strings. So this picking finger, really, the middle finger, really gets to work out to bring out the melody. I've included the tab, and the video is a little slowed down version, maybe 70%, 75% of the speed it should be later on. And I've added rhythm guitar so you can get your bearings on the structure of the tune. I would recommend go listen to the Country Gentleman's version. They recorded it in the early 70s, and it's kind of the standard that everybody loves, bluegrass style. And Darby's Castle is the name of it. Beautiful tune. Rest in peace, Kris Kristofferson.